Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 6R, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this Nubia. Begin with opening Play Store. Following that, you need to click on the search bar and type in Files. Then get this free app from Google Developer, and when it's ready, hit Open. Now you need to select Continue and tap on Allow. Then click on this switcher next to Allow access to manage all files in order for this app to work, and click on the top left corner. Now you can finally select Clean at the bottom left corner and tap on Clean under Junk Files. Lastly, click on Allow in the pop-up, and as you can see, after that, storage of my Nubia was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!